Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website here called uTest, and maybe you're wondering, is this a legitimate site? Can you really make money from actually just doing tests, right? Or is this a waste of time? At any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, click the link below and I'll send you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are great, some of them are so-so, some of them are an absolute waste of time. So let's find out where uTest sits and whether this is a good use of your time or not, or maybe there are better strategies to make money on the internet, okay? Now, uTest is actually a 100% legitimate testing website. So basically, what they do is they work with a lot of clients in the background, a lot of software companies, and these software companies will come to uTest and pay them, a certain amount of money. You don't get to see that, of course, as a tester, and they will ask them to test their websites and their apps and their softwares to find out if they have bugs or not, okay? And then what you can do is, as an individual, you can come to this website and you can come right here to click on Become a uTester, and you can sign up from anywhere in the world, and you would fill in all these details right here to become a tester for them. Now, the nice thing about uTester is it's global, okay? So you can literally sign up from anywhere in the world, and what happens is once you sign up to become a tester, you have to first of all finish your profile. That's very, very important, okay? And the next thing you need to do is go to their academy and basically learn exactly how to become a good tester. So what you're going to be doing on that section in the academy is you're going to be learning things like how to find or fill out bug reports. You're going to learn how to record your screen. You're going to learn how to set up so that you can actually record and talk through what you're actually testing so that they can see it on your screen. Things like the cycle process, test cases, things like that. You basically have to learn how to do the test properly on their platform, okay? Now, once you've done that, there will be two ways that you can find your test. The first way is they will email you the test if it's a good match for your country, your location, and your background, okay? The second way is you can actually log into uTest itself, and on the left-hand side, you will see a project board, and you can sign up for pretty much any project that you want to potentially test for, okay? Now, the thing that you have to understand is that based on your location and your background, and how many tests you've done and your experience and things like that, they take all of that into play. They will show you a certain amount of tests every single day or not, okay? So sometimes you get a decent amount of tests and sometimes you don't get a decent amount of tests because it has everything to do with supply of their clients and your location and whether it's a good match for you to do the test, okay? And so that's the only thing about testing websites, is that unfortunately you're not going to be able to sit there and do 500 tests a day. That's not how it works, okay? You might get one test, you might get two tests, you might get no tests that week. It really depends on your luck and your location and your background and your profile, okay? And how often you do this or not. The more time that you spend on uTest, if you're in a good location, the more access to tests that you get. Now, the big question is how do you get paid, all right? Now, unlike a lot of other testing websites, on uTest specifically, they only pay you for the bugs that you find, okay? So the whole point of becoming a tester here is you need to find problems with the website, the app, or the software that you're reviewing, all right? So if you don't find a bug, you don't get paid, all right? Which is fair because that's how they pay out in uTest, all right? So for every bug that you find, how much money do you make? It depends on the bug. If it's a very kind of surface level, easy to spot bug, right? Like a typo or, a functionality doesn't really work, that's okay. Then you get paid less. If you find something that's deeper, that is a lot more difficult to find, but it's actually a potentially big bug, you get paid more, right? So you get paid anywhere from $2 all the way up to $10 or a little bit more per bug that you find, okay? So the thing is sometimes you might spend a little bit of time and you don't find any bugs, right? So you've just invested time into testing, but you didn't actually find any bugs in that particular app or that website or that software. Another thing is if you find a bug, but another tester has already reported it, then you don't get paid for that bug that you reported. Does that make sense? So it has to be a unique bug that you're finding at that particular time, and you must be the tester that's finding it and not anybody else, so no duplication, okay? Now, on top, if you do get to do that, all right, and you get paid out, you can get paid out through PayPal and Payout, which is very cool. There's basically no threshold, so if you make like $2 or $3, you'll get paid out pretty much the week after that, which is really, really cool. Okay, now the big question is how much money can you make overall? So I'm gonna head over to Trustpilot right here, and uTest has basically had very, very good results. Okay, 1,177 reviews, 4.6 star. Most people rating it 5 star. Okay, some people rate it 1 or 2 star, but that's very, very little, 4 or 2%, so not a big deal. Okay, so really good. Okay, 5 star here. Let's find out how much people are making. Okay, so Brandy says from the US, you probably won't get rich, but if you're looking for new experiences with the opportunity to make a little extra cash, then it's definitely worth looking into. Okay, this one says only form of payment is PayPal, so I don't regard this. I mean, they shouldn't really rate it 1 star because most of the world accepts PayPal, all right, or you can get PayPal, and they also pay through Payoneer. So I mean, I'm going to disregard that one. All right, let me see. I think there's another one who said how much they actually made, so I'm gonna show you that. Okay, where is it? uTest is an awesome platform, so quite a lot of 5 stars here. Okay, this person made a decent amount of money, right, from Malaysia, right? Zakira says, I joined uTest without any prior knowledge. Since joining, I've earned close to $400 US. Okay, didn't log in every day. There weren't many tests available in my location. Okay, so this is over a period of time. All right, they didn't earn this straight away, but since joining, so it's been quite a while. Maybe actually not too bad. January 18th. But they joined, probably earlier than that. Okay, so it is possible to generate a decent amount of money. Someone here said that they made about $100 in a month, if I'm not mistaken. So that's roughly, there you go. I've earned $100 in the last 2 months. Okay, so it roughly gives you an idea. I would say anywhere from $50 a month to maybe $100 or $200 a month, depending on how lucky you are and how much you actually work the platform. So again, it's something where you can do. You're not going to get rich, but it's a cool way to make a little bit of extra money if you want to check uTest out. All right. Now, if you're here watching this video, maybe you are looking for a way to generate more than $100 to $200 a month. Maybe you're looking for big full-time income, right? And on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are great, some of them so-so, some of them are a waste of time. uTest is okay for side income, but if you want to make big income, there's one strategy where I found out of all the strategies and websites and business models that I've tested on this channel, for a beginner to go from absolutely zero to their first $5,000 to $10,000 a month. And if you would like to get access to that masterclass for free where you can learn that strategy, just click the link below and I'll send you that and you can check it out if you would like. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of uTest. All the best to you. See you on another video review. Take care.